Hey guys, did you know that having competition can help market your course? I know a lot of times when you feel like there's so many courses out there, you can't really make another course because there's too many. But that's actually not the case. It's actually a good thing that there's a lot of courses in your niche. If you can identify what sets your course apart from the rest of the market and the rest of the competition, you can use that as an advantage in your marketing efforts. So I'm going to give you some ways to identify and use your unique selling proposition, or also known as USP, in your marketing. Number one, always analyze your competition. You want to research, you want to analyze, you want to see what your competition maybe is offering or maybe that they have that you could provide a little bit better with your own experiences, with your own detail, with your own passion. And you want to see how they're marketing their course as well. You want to check and see if there's any gaps in their course and any gaps in their marketing efforts. The next one is huge, and I talk about it a lot in my videos and in my courses, both the Passion Course Startup Kit and Passion to Profit. It's identifying your target audience. It's really important to understand and ask the question, what is your target audience searching for? What solutions are they trying to resolve? What are their needs? What are their pain points? Are you able to solve that for them? And if so, how can you tailor your course and your marketing efforts to tailor to your target audience's needs and their preferences? When you identify your target audience, you're also able to send out the right message to them, put the right message in front of them. That way, when they see it, when you're marketing it, they're going to be more interested in your course because it solves a problem. You're answering their pain points. You're answering the questions that they might have. You're speaking directly to your target audience and ultimately your ideal customer. So another one is identify your unique features, your unique benefits in your course. A lot of people don't do this. You can stand out in a crowd when you are, featuring what the value in your course, the benefits in your course, the things that they are going to take from your course, the things that they're going to, benefit, learn, gain, whether it's professional or it's personal. If they can gain something at the end of your course, make sure you're letting them know what that might be. You want to highlight these features when you market your course. Is it your teaching methods? Is it your level of support that you might offer? Is it your depth of content that you provide? Is it your course materials? What is it? Highlight it, let them know so that they can see that up front. Another one is create a strong value proposition. Now, you can use your unique benefits and your unique features to market your course and create a compelling and unique value proposition for your course. So, in other words, this should communicate, the value that your course offers and why they should invest in your course. You want to use your USP, your unique selling proposition, to market everything in your course. In all your marketing efforts, you want to use that USP. So once you've identified your USP, make sure to incorporate it in your course materials, your landing page, your opt-in, your lead magnet, your website, your social media. I mean, the list goes on. Your email marketing. Just make sure that you are promoting that USP. Consistency is key to building a strong brand and attracting the right audience to your course. So do not be discouraged about how many courses there are in your niche. It is a good thing, and take advantage of that. Use it as an opportunity to create a better course and reach a wider audience. All right, I hope that helped. If you don't know me, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose, and I am a web designer and a course creator. And if you did find value in this video, just hit the like button or subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.